Hey there, movie buffs, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated sequel of a beloved animated film that has captured the hearts of millions around the world. That's right, we're talking about Chicken Run 2. In this video, we'll explore the story, characters, and everything you need to know about this exciting upcoming movie. Grab your popcorn and let's get started. Before we delve into the plot of Chicken Run 2, let's take a moment to appreciate the success of the original film released in 2002. It was a must-see hit and gained a dedicated following. Fast forward to today, and fans are buzzing with excitement for the sequel. Now, let's see what this new adventure has in store for us. The plot: the story of Chicken Run 2 picks up where the first film left off. Our lovable group of chickens, led by the courageous Ginger, find themselves facing a brand new challenge after escaping from Tweedy's farm in the original movie. Their quest for freedom continues in this sequel. The chickens have found solace in a peaceful sanctuary called Eggland, where they live happily, but their tranquility is shattered when a powerful corporation, driven by profit, threatens to turn their sanctuary into a factory farm. Now, our feathery friends must unite once again to protect their newfound home and outsmart those cunning humans. Themes and messages: just like its predecessor, Chicken Run 2 touches upon important themes and delivers powerful messages. Friendship, teamwork, and the pursuit of freedom are at the heart of this movie. It showcases the unwavering spirit of chickens as they face adversity and fight for what they believe in. The story emphasizes the significance of standing up against injustice and working together to overcome obstacles. Character development in Chicken Run 2, witness the further development of our beloved characters from the first film. Ginger, the determined and brave leader of the flock, continues to inspire her fellow chickens and rally them towards their common goal. But that's not all. The sequel also introduces new characters, adding depth and excitement to the narrative. Moreover, Chicken Run 2 provides an opportunity for viewers to explore the backgrounds of the characters, gaining insights into their motivations and personal journeys. This emotional connection forged between the audience and the characters enhances the overall viewing experience. Animation and visuals. Now, let's talk about the animation and visuals of Chicken Run 2. The original film was renowned for its unique stop-motion animation style, which added a charming and distinctive touch. Well, guess what? The sequel maintains this aesthetic, staying true to the visual identity that made the first movie so memorable. The filmmakers have leveraged advancements in animation technology to further enhance the visual experience. Expect lush landscapes, detailed character designs, and intricate sets that promise to create a visually stunning world, immersing the audience in the story. Conclusion: to wrap it up, Chicken Run 2 is an eagerly awaited animated film that brings back beloved characters while introducing new elements to the story. With its engaging plot, valuable themes, and impressive animation, the sequel holds immense promise. Audiences can look forward to an exciting adventure filled with laughter, heartwarming moments, and a strong message of determination and unity. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the original movie, or new to the franchise, Chicken Run 2 is set to be a delightful cinematic experience for everyone. Get ready to join Ginger and her flock once again as they embark on a remarkable journey that will capture the hearts of audiences worldwide. That's it for today's video, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting movie updates. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time.